Watch this, right between their eyes. Oh! Get the guy nose.
Damn.
You got knocked the fuck out!
Warning. Do not attempt any of the things you see on this channel. Arrowheads are trained professionals in the art of round.
Yo, what's good, guys? Today, I'm gonna show you how to load your bow. Alright, yeah.
No, you're not. You're just a dummy. Yo, what's going on, guys? Hope you guys are okay. Welcome back to another episode on the Arrowheads. It's the boy H here, and I'm gonna go through how to string a bow. That's right, a bow. You know, everyone's been asking me, oh H, how did you get into archery, man? Oh H, how do you string a bow? Oh H, how do you shoot? How do you do this? How do you do that? I want to make a series for you guys on how to do everything step by step. So we're gonna get straight into the video. I'm gonna show you guys the first step is stringing your bow. But you still chatting shit? People's elbow! Alright guys, so obviously you need to know what bow you want. This over here is a Mongolian longbow. It's a traditional bow, shoots about 160 FPS. You know, it's not too bad. It's nice, it's light, it's quite accurate, it's deadly, that's the main thing. Now this is a very good bow for beginners. You know, you can get this in a £30, £40, £50, or even a £60 version. This over here is a £60 version. Now, I'm going to show you how to string a big bad boy. Now this bow over here is a £70 Recurve bow. Now this is more of a modern bow. As you can see, it's nicely polished off, nice engraves, you know. Now this bad boy over here shoots about 230 FPS per second. Now that's a big difference compared to that Mongolian bow over there. Guys, first of all you need to know where your arrow is shooting from, or what end is your bow at. Now it's quite obvious with this bow because there's an engrave right here. You know, you can see it, your arrow goes here, sits here. So this is the top bit, this is the bottom bit. Simple, common sense, yeah? Your string, it goes in the engraves over here, just like that, as you can see. So make sure you give your string a few twists before you start, because you want your string to be nice and tight. Obviously you don't want to have a loose string. Who wants a loose string? Nobody. So give it a good five twists, should be ready to go. So we've covered step number one, which is the engraves and the twists in your string. That's very important, guys. Make sure you do that. Make sure you don't forget to twist your string before you put it on, so it's nice and tight. And say your string don't come off, you know. So if it does come off, it hits in the face, it hits your friend in the face. Bit of sticky one, isn't it? Step number two, the string in your bow. There's only 2 steps to this video, which is nice and lovely. So if you have a high surface like that, you can use like a sofa, or you can use a pillow, or you can use anything which is soft, really. Now ideally you want to do it on the floor. Now, before you do it again, make sure the string is nice and tight. So go ahead and twist it another 2 more times. Okay, so if you're right-handed, you're going to need to put your left knee on the end part of the bow. Yeah? Just like that. You put all your body weight on the end part of the knee, just like that. Go ahead, twist your bow again. Twist your bowstring again. This is highly important. I want to keep reminding you guys, your bowstring is the most important part of the bow, because this is what launches the arrow. Yeah? Your knee goes on the end. Your bowstring is really in place, in the grooves. And then what you want to do is you want to pull this baby up, just like that, just like that. So guys, before you put an arrow into this bow, you want to make sure that you exercise your limbs. This part is very, very important, that's why I'm addressing it. So exercising your limbs is nice and simple. You pull your string out, 3 seconds, 4 seconds, hold it there, 1, 2, 3, and you release it slowly. You bring it back slowly, don't release it, you bring it back slowly. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then eventually you can get further and further away. As you can see, this is called exercising your limbs. Now exercising your limbs is important. Why? Because if you don't do it, you're going to damage your bow. So now you're ready to load your bow. Now I'm going to cover that in a video coming soon, guys. If you want to see anything else, let us know in the comments. If you want to know anything else, let us know in the comments. Alright? Sorry, Boris. But this is going to be the end of your days, mate. Right, so guys, if you found that helpful, if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Stop Stop being so tight, man. Look, even he says it. So go do it now. Go on, do it.
Yeah, go on, yeah.
Hit the subscribe button, guys. Let's go. Peace.